how to convert PDF to a PowerPoint presentation. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert a PDF file into a PowerPoint presentation in just few simple steps. So if you have a PDF document and need it in a PowerPoint format for editing or presenting, this guide is for you. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's take a look at our PDF file. So when you try to open a PDF file directly in a PowerPoint, you'll notice that the PowerPoint doesn't support this format. So for this, we will need to use a tool to convert it first. Now to convert this PDF into a PPT file, we will use Adobe Acrobat, a tool by Adobe designed for handling PDF conversion. So to do that, simply go to the Adobe Acrobat PDF to PowerPoint converter, which I have provided a link in the description box. And once you are there, you can simply drag and drop your PDF file into the tool, and after that you just need to wait for a few seconds while it converts your file. And once the conversion is complete, you will see an option to download the PPT file. Now click on download and the converted PowerPoint file will be saved to your computer. And once downloaded, you can simply open the file and it will automatically launch in Microsoft PowerPoint. And the best part, you can now edit the content just like a regular PowerPoint file. And that's it. Now you know how to convert a PDF file to a PowerPoint presentation quickly and easily. And if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.